Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. We are on block number 10 of our Sew Quilty Sew and Stitch Along. So we're almost done. We have 10, 11, and 12, and then we just need to put everything together. We're almost done with this sew along. So thank you all so much for joining me. I hope you're having fun. Hope you're learning something new and ending up with a really cute finished project when we're all done. If you are just joining, I don't know how you missed all the other videos, but if you are, head back. I will link our first video kickoff here. You're welcome to join at any time. These videos will still be on YouTube, so you can just follow along at your own progress if you want. So feel free to join in at any time. So let's go ahead and just jump right in. We're going to take a look at block number 10. Now, block number 10 does have a lot of pieces that just need to be sort of accurate. So just keep that in mind for this one. Hopefully you've already pre-starched your fabric like I mentioned in the first video, or you've been using some Mary Ellen's Best Press as you've been going along. I like this one right here. It's a lavender scent. It's nice and light. It's not super strong. And that can really just help your blocks be more accurate if you have a lot of small pieces. So let's take a look. Here is block number 10, and it's our rotary trimmer and ruler block. This one was a lot of fun. The rotary trimmer is pretty easy. The hardest part on that is just the snowballed corners, which is not a big deal. Once you snowball your corners, just trim up this section to size as indicated in the pattern and you'll be good to go. And then there's just some small pieces here. So again, I just trimmed up this little section. You've got some snowballs down here as well. So as long as you're trimming as you go, all these should come together pretty easy. So this one is really easy. I chose an orange and a pink for that. And then the little ruler is so fun. The only thing with this is just you've got some skinny pieces in here. These finish at like a 1/2 inch, I think, wide. And so you just need to be accurate with your 1/4 inch seam. That Mary Ellen's Best Press or starch will really help with that. And then trimming up as you go will help as well. And I used that light blue for the ruler section. It's the same one I used in our little button jar, or I mean yarn ball jar, and then a contrasting color for the lines on the ruler basically. And then this one comes together actually quite quickly, but it's all straightforward sewing. Just trim as you go, and then when you're done, you're going to add it to one of your pre-finished cake stand blocks, and then you'll be all done with this block. So really cute, and this one is fairly easy to do as well. Let's take a look at the Stitchy version. So here's our Stitchy piece. Again, it's really cute. There's nothing complicated on this one at all. I do have a 1/2 stitch in there, but that's it. We've already talked about that in previous videos. That's the most complicated thing in this one, which isn't complicated at all. It's very quick. I finished this one in probably maybe 1/2 hour, maybe a little bit more, but really it was very easy. I sew these during the day and then do the little Stitchy piece in the evening while I'm watching TV or whatever, and it's just a nice relaxing time. I know it's not going to take me very long, and so I can just kind of relax and have fun with that. So all right, so that is it for block number 10. We only have 2 blocks left, and then we'll be putting all of our blocks together. So I hope you're having fun with our sewing or stitching along. If you're doing both, that's awesome as well. Don't forget to post your progress in our Sew With Me group so we can see what you guys are all doing. And feel free to hop on there and encourage other people who are sewing along as well. I love seeing all the community happening there. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you're enjoying it. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you next time for block number 11.